Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to model very basic and very simple robot. I have model 15 robots on my channel. You can check it if you want. But this one is very easy robot for beginners. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So here is our final render. So anyone can model this model. This is very simple robot done in Blender. This is a very simple robot done in Blender. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more modeling videos like this and also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.